Hello, I'm in a 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe, and today I'm going to show you where your AUX port, USB port, and charger ports are. So from here in the front, this cover should cover your AUX port and USB port, and then there's two charger ports right above it. And then in the rear, by the rear seats, you should see a charger port here. And especially if you've got like an aftermarket display installed, you might want to check inside the glove box as well, because sometimes they'll run extra cords into here or off to the side that you can plug into. But that's it. I hope this is helpful. And if these aren't working for some reason, the first thing I check are fuses. Sometimes a burnt fuse might make these inoperable. If that doesn't help, you might need to dig behind the plastic to make sure there's not like a loose connection behind one of these that's making it so it won't connect all the way. And that connection might need repaired or replaced in some way. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.